our channel. We were so busy, that is why we were not able to upload the videos. Hope you have enjoyed watching our shorts. We are back again with another amazing video. Hope you enjoyed this video too, and please don't forget to support us. Thank you.
Oh, what a boring class, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And have you heard about the mini KFC?
Mini KFC? What is that?
Oh, it is a surprise bowl. It has mini KFC in it. It is very relaxing and satisfying to open it. I love it very much, but I haven't opened yet one.
Oh, that's nice. Where will we get it from?
It's available in Amazon, but it's very costly.
So, do you want to open one?
Yes, I do, but it is very costly.
I have an idea. Let's make it out of clay.
Clay? How could we make it out of clay?
Just follow me.
Wow, that was amazing. I really loved it.
Oh, thank you.
And when are you opening it? Now or at home? I will open it from my home. My sister also loves it.
Okay then.
So hope you all enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So till another video. Bye bye.